So I recently had the batteries on this UPS go bad on me, and I looked up the price for a new unit online, and oh man, inflation has caught up with everything. It is way more than just a couple $100s. Wow. The batteries I got were two of the Tripp Lite Smart 1500 LCD 12 volt 9 amp hours UPS batteries. They were $33.99 each, and it costs way less than buying a brand new UPS, that's for sure. Replacing the batteries on this I thought was going to be pretty tough, but it was one of the easier swaps I've done so far. Okay, unplugged it, made sure it was turned off, flipped it upside down, just unscrewed this with a Phillips. Japanese industry would also work. Okay, pull out, and then you'll notice that this is glued onto the motherboard. Same with that, so you can't remove it without removing the glue. You pull this out, flip it around. Okay, now it's on its side, and then you can literally just pull these batteries out. Okay, and then as soon as you pull these batteries about this far, you can remove these contacts. You just pull this out, put in the new batteries, and then replace this first. You just literally just pull them out and then put them in the new battery, and then you slide in the battery to about this point. Just put in the positive first and then put on the negative, because you just treat it like a car battery. And then this bridge is done before you slide the new batteries back in. They pull right out. You don't have to worry about replacing the cables. And you slide it back in. Okay, and you slide the new batteries in until it locks. And then put this little safety piece of metal back in. Okay, you can stand it up. Put the front panel back on by pushing the top in, and then punch the bottom in, flip it upside down, put the screw back in using the Phillips or Japanese industry. After you plug it in, you notice that it's on. It'll tell you the battery. Okay, you could hold the power button on and then run a test. It'll switch back to battery. And there you go, you just saved more than $100 by replacing the batteries yourself. Alright, take care. Hope this helps. This is the Tripp Lite Smart 1500 LCDT. That's 1500 volt amps, 900 watts. I'm glad I spent $68 to repair this problem.